Hi, I'm Jodie Baker from Homepeel. I'm 50 years old. I've been running Homepeel for nearly 20 years. It's been my life's work. I do all my videos without any makeup on or no filters. And today I'm going to show you how to use our Homepeel's Fortnightly fruit peel. Now we're going to get a lot of the solution onto our brush and we're going to start painting. You don't need a lot, and you don't need the big chunks. You just need it to be wet. As soon as you put it on, everyone's skin is different. So some people's skin's going to tingle straight away and other people's skin's going to feel nothing. And it might take a good 5 minutes or so. But basically what we want to do is we want to get it tingling for a good 2 minutes. And what's happening over that period of time is that the bonds are loosening. It keeps those dead skin cells together like a mask that stop us from having the gorgeous glow we all deserve. Yeah, after 2 minutes, you're going to get the gauze that comes with the kit and we're going to manually wipe that away. So. Done, all washed off. Today I'm going to finish off with a bit of both, the moisturising peptide cream and our pure hyaluronic. So I'll just do a full squirt of the actually no, that was about 3/4 of the squirt, but a full squirt of the hyaluronic. Mix them all up. Okay, and I'll just pop it on. Oh, my skin is drinking that and it's just so soft. My God, my skin feels like velvet and it's just going straight in. It's not getting caught up in any dead skin cells or anything like that. All right, and I'll just do that. And I might even add a little bit of my, where did it go? Ooh, some of our new velvet eye cream as well. So I'll just pop a little bit and I just can't believe I lived without this for so long. Right. Beautiful.